Welcome to the latest episode of Drone News from Jeff Sibelius at LandandAirPhotos.com. Yuneec has recently replaced their Mantis Q drone with a new version called the Mantis G. The Mantis G offers a small foldable design similar to the Mavics and Evos of the world. Even with its smaller body size, the drone is black, so it should offer decent visibility out several hundred feet. Yuneec says the Mantis G's redundant 2.4 and 5 GHz signal transmission gives this drone a range of 2 kilometers, which is far beyond any point where you can maintain sight of the drone. And the Mantis G is advertised to give you a 30-plus minute flight time as well. The Mantis G shoots at 4K resolution at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 60 frames per second. On the downside, it only has 2-axis mechanical stabilization. The new Mantis is designed to be a selfie drone, with voice command technology and intelligent auto-flight modes such as waypoints, visual tracking, coming home, and smart shots. Yuneec claims to have upgraded the Mantis G's positioning system, improving its performance while flying indoors. The Mantis G continues the recent trend of Yuneec drones that require you to use your own smart device instead of including a built-in screen on the controller. This is a disappointment. I've always considered the integrated screen to be a more reliable interface than having to plug into an iPhone or Android and hope for compatibility. The Mantis G costs $699.99 in the US, which puts it about the same price point as the Mavic Air and a bit more expensive than the Parrot Anafi. Based on specs alone, my first impression of the Mantis G is that it's a couple of years too late and a bit expensive for the feature set it offers. I don't see how it outperforms the Mavic Air at the same price, and you can get the Fimi X8-SE for a couple $100 less. That's just my initial reaction, though. I've never flown one of Yuneec's smaller foldable drones, so I'm intrigued by the G. If Yuneec or one of their dealers will send me a demo loaner, I'd enjoy testing it out, and as always, give it a fair review. I'd enjoy putting this drone up against the Mavic Air and see how it compares. By the way, if you've watched my channel recently, you know that I've gone through a long ordeal with the repair on my Typhoon H Plus. It's been almost 6 months since I ordered the Plus, and I still do not have a functional drone in hand to fly. It's been at the shop for its second round of repairs for over a month, with no word on when it'll be fixed. So, if you want to buy the Mantis G, wait to order it until it's available from someone like B&H Photos, a retailer that offers a good return policy. That way, if it is shipped to you defective, as my Typhoon H Plus was, you can return it to the dealer for a refund rather than wait months to get it fixed. That's it for this episode of Drone News. Thank you for watching this video. I set up a Facebook group to make it easier for us to talk and arrange opportunities to fly together. Follow the link in the description below to sign up for the group. On screen you'll find links to more videos on how to fly drones, so please check them out. Before you go, be sure to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to this channel so you know when more videos are released. Thanks for watching.